at Automate, I know they're going to have an education pavilion. Are you guys going to be in that pavilion as well as on the regular show floor, or?
We won't be in the pavilion, but if people come by our booth, we are actually giving free access codes to the Machine Builder 101 class. I mean, the licenses do cost money, but we will be giving away about 100 of those at the show. So anyone who sees this and is interested can come by, and we will give them a free access code to take the class. It's not very complicated. It's less than an hour, and so it's a pretty easy class to take also.
Okay. And what booth will you be in at Automate?
4430th.
32, 4432.
4432. Okay.
And Sarah is organizing also with the education team at Vention session throughout the various days at Automate, where people can get familiarized with the Vention technology as well.
I think I would just like to add that, in addition to the speed and simplicity our system offers, it also offers people who use our technology faster success. I know that in the typical automation adoption journey, there's a lot of debugging that goes on. There's a lot of optimization. And when you build a digital twin with our system and you use our control system, you can do everything online. You can prove it all out online. And before you ever pay a penny, you can make sure that it works. And so people do have faster success on the ground when they do deploy with our technology. And we're eager to show people why that's the case at Automate.
Great. Before I let you go, I just thought, did you give me any examples, any case study examples? I know this particular product just launched commercially, but I'd imagine you have test cases and use cases already.
I can talk about a use case that is very, very interesting. It's a client that is completely fine being named publicly. It's McAlpine. They're based in the UK. They used to I see them as the Kohler of UK, if you know the plumbing company, and they have this very difficult task to staff consistently, which is a bin picking task, and it's a very tricky part because it's gray and need to be oriented in a very precise way inside the machine. And they came at us with that problem a year and a half ago as we were developing MachineMotion AI, and that was the perfect products to team up and bring that first AI-driven use case to market. So that's the case we've shown at the NVIDIA GTC. We have great content on this.
All right. So, well, thank you, Etienne and Sarah, for joining us today. And thank you for joining us. And until next time, I'm Sharon Spielman with Machine Design. Stay curious.